Alright, so this is problem number 4. So let's go back to our steps to refresh. So our first step is to solve an equation for either x or y, so it doesn't matter. So if we're looking at our equation, it's already solved for y. So we're going to use what's solved for y and substitute it in for y when we're rewriting our equation. Okay, so we're just rewriting. So we have negative 3x minus 3, but now instead of writing y, what am I going to write? Negative 5x minus 17. And make sure that whatever you're rewriting, you're putting in parentheses so that you know that that was substituted in. And then, so now we've substituted in the y, so now I need to write everything else. So equals 3, right? Now when I'm solving, now I'm solving for x. So what do I need to do first? I need to distribute this negative 3 to everything inside of my parentheses. So remember that this is a negative 5x and this is a negative 17. Okay? Take the sign that's in front of the number with it when you guys are multiplying. So negative 3 times negative 5x is going to be positive 15x. And then negative 3 times negative 17 is going to be positive 51. And now this is just this part here, right? So this is the same as this. So now I need to rewrite everything else. So I need to rewrite this negative 3x. And since this is a positive 15, it's like there's going to be a plus there. Right? And then I need to rewrite what's on my other side. Equals 3. Now what's the next thing I need to do? Let me combine like terms. So this negative 3x plus 15x is the same as 15 minus 3. So that's 12x. And now bring down everything else that you haven't used. So this plus 51 equals 3. Now I'm still solving for x. So I need to get rid of this. The opposite of adding 51 is subtracting 51. Right? They cancel out. So now I have 12x equals 3 minus 51 is what? Should be what? Negative 48? Yeah, negative 48. And now the last thing I need to do is divide both sides by 12. And let's cancel. So x equals, what's negative 48 divided by 12? Make that clearer. Is going to be negative 4. So now I'm taking this negative 4, because I know x is negative 4 now. Now I'm going to substitute it in to x up here. Right? So now I'm rewriting again and substituting. So wherever I see x now, I'm going to write a negative 4 in parentheses. So now negative 5 times negative 4. So negative times a negative is a positive, and 5 times 4 is 20. So it would be y equals positive 20 minus 17. So y equals, what's 20 minus 17? 3. So our coordinate point, you put your x first. So negative 4, comma, then your y. 3 would be your answer.